The speed of wind depends upon the pressure between two regions. When pressure difference is high, wind moves from high pressure region to low pressure region in atmosphere. Let us discuss about it with the help of few examples. The wings of an aeroplane are designed in such a way that the air above them moves faster than the air below them. When the aeroplane runs on the runway in order to take off, the air above the wings moves faster. The air pressure becomes very small as compared to the pressure below. The resultant upward push or lift makes the plane fly. Birds also fly in the similar way. Let us see one more example. When the wind speed is very high, the roofs of the huts or the tin sheet roofs of the godowns are blown off. This is because when high speed winds blow over the roofs, the air pressure above the roofs is reduced. Thus, the higher air pressure below the roof exerts a large force to lift up the roof, which can be blown away by the fast winds. Wind speed plays an important role in the formation of storms. It is therefore important to measure the wind speed. In meteorological observation, both direction and speed of wind are measured. The instrument used to measure wind speed is called anemometer. The word anemo means wind. Many weather stations have a spinning cup anemometer that rotates depending on the wind speed. The speed of wind is measured in kilometers per hour. The instrument used to find out the direction in which direction the wind is blowing is called a wind vane. It is free to rotate either way when the wind blows. Wind turns the vane towards the side of which it is blowing. We have already studied that the earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called the atmosphere. We have also learnt that air has weight. The weight of air in our atmosphere exerts pressure on everything on the earth. This air pressure is called atmospheric pressure. Let's learn how atmospheric pressure influences weather. When warm moist air is heated and begins to rise upward, it creates an area of low pressure. As the warm air rises, it begins to cool, condenses to form clouds. Thus, low pressure is associated with cloudy sky and wet weather. Conversely, the cold air sinks and creates an area of high pressure. It means condensation can't occur. Thus, high pressure is associated with clear and sunny sky. Wind currents are generated due to uneven heating of the earth. In nature, warm air rises and creates an area of low pressure. The cold air from the surrounding areas rushes to fill its place. Air moves from the regions of high air pressure to the region of low air pressure region. The greater the difference in air pressure, the faster the air moves. Thus, wind currents are generated due to unequal heating of the earth. It takes place in two situations. First, unequal heating between the equator and poles of the earth. Second, unequal heating of the land and water of the oceans.